Hey everyone, I stumbled upon an incredible online method to get unlimited Last War survival free diamonds and gems, and I'm here to share my experience with you. At first, I was skeptical about these Last War survival cheats, but curiosity got the better of me, so I decided to give it a try. The process began by gathering some basic details, my game username and the number of diamonds and gems currently in my account. Once I had this information ready, I visited a website claiming to provide Last War survival free diamond links. The interface was user-friendly, and I entered the necessary details without any trouble. The next step involved a simple human verification task. A pop-up appeared asking me to download and play a game until reaching level 9. While this might seem like an extra step, it was straightforward and didn't take much time. I completed the task, ensuring all instructions were followed carefully. Once verified, I went back to my Last War survival account to check the results. To my delight, the method worked perfectly. My requested diamonds and gems were added exactly as promised. The Last War survival diamonds hack is a game changer for players like me who need extra resources to progress in the game. It's reliable, efficient, and doesn't involve complicated steps. For those searching for Last War survival free gems or diamonds, I highly recommend trying this method. It's safe, effective, and delivers what it promises. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your gaming experience just as it did for me. Good luck and happy gaming.